Creating an eToro account is a stressful process. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through on how to create an eToro account with a step-by-step guide. So the first thing you have to do, you have to navigate and go to eToro website. Once you do that, click on join now or trade now button. Once you do that, enter your personal details in the electronic form provided. You can also choose to sign up using your Facebook or Google account. Once you do that, review eToro's terms and conditions and privacy policy. Once you are familiar with them, then check the appropriate box to indicate that your agreement. Once you do that, also click on sign up button to submit your information for review. As part of the known your customers process, you will need to provide a confirmation and a residence. So for you to be able to do that, you have to provide your utility bills dated with the last 3 months, and also a proof of a valid passport or other official photo ID. Once you do that, you will also be asked to fill out a questionnaire to help eToro tailor their services to your profile. Once you do that, verification is pretty crucial for account security and follow. After that, you can make a deposit. So once account is verified, you can make your first deposit using the various funding method. After that, you can now start trading, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification bell and subscribe for more. Thank you.